Hello everybody, we're here again for another grocery vlog. Yeah. Again, nasa Superstore na naman tayo kasi wala pa rin tayong pera.
So, for today's video, since naubusan na kami ng mga kakainin namin this week.
Hindi, actually mostly lang, yung mga maliliit lang to. Yeah. Pero mahal kasi mga panlinis and lotions and toothpaste, mga ganun.
Ay, oo nga pala.
At saka isang putahe lang, pang tinola lang ang bibili namin. And wag niyo nang pansinin tong band-aid sa mukha ko, nagdugo yung scab ko na pinik ko kanina. Too much information? That's your choice.
Uy.
Sige, mag-grocery na tayo. Okay, we have our, ano ba to? Ano to?
Bag.
Bag. You have our bag for groceries. Superstore. Yun ang nila, tagline nila. Oh my gosh, naglalabasan na agad ang mga pumpkins. Hindi pa naman October. Yan ang aming listahan. So, unahin natin yung mga nandito, I guess. Yan. Wala masyadong tao ngayon kasi Wednesday ngayon. Cute na to, oh. May pa siya. May pang ice pa siya. How much? We don't know how much it is, but it's a nice one. May mga anak kayo. How much is that? Yan, mga price ng kanilang mga damit. $29 for this. Pero magandang quality ang Joe. So, it's on sale. Okay, we also need conditioner. This one is only $5.99, so we're gonna take that one. Okay, we're also gonna buy one of these because I need to rinse my nose. So it's always stuffed, so we're gonna buy one. Dalawa pa lang ulam yung kukunin namin. Isang pang menudo, isang pang tinola. Their sayote is $1.29. Isa lang naman kailangan natin. Tapos we need ginger dun sa kabila. Wait, let's buy one of this. It's on sale, 68 cents. We'll get one. And ginger. Maybe like a fat one. Maybe just this one. And another. Well, this one is fine, I think. Yeah. Baby Poo! Baby Poo pumpkin! Sinong iyan ang tawag sa kanilang jowa? Baby Poo.
Hi, Baby Poo!
Ano ba nilalagay sa menu ito? Pepper. Oh my god. Bell pepper. Ayoko ng bell pepper. We still have one sa bahay.
Pepper.
Gusto mo ba ng bell pepper? Sige, fine. So yeah, one. Just one. Green.
Ano ba?
Ayoko eh.
Bakit?
Isang green.
Panglasa lang naman.
Sige, go green. Wow! It's a sale. It's not really a sale.
Maliit lang.
Yeah. Maybe a tiny one. This one. These ones are expensive. I need one though. Okay, kuha tayo ng isang onion. Okay na siguro yan.
So, meron na tayong spinach. Ginger sayote, nose wash, conditioner, body lotion. Kailangan na lang natin ng chicken.
Yeah, okay. Chicken tayo. I guess nag-crave si Kat ng chicken, so she's gonna get chicken. I like the other one, the green one. The Portuguese style one. And it's $8.50. Yan.
Ano bang lasa nito?
It's just, what we always get. Do you need sponges?
No. Dami pa natin, nakabili ako sa dollar store ng $1 eh.
Oh, really? Okay, sige. Nandito tayo sa Air Care Fabric Care. Kuha tayo ng pang-ano ng fabrics. Ayun. Ni-spray namin sa couch, sa carpet. Yan. You like the antibacterial one? Yeah. I think this is okay. You want this one? Or you want to try a different?
Ito na kasi meron pa tayo isa.
Yeah, and it's antibacterial too. Okay. This is $6.99. So, these ones, we buy those at Costco para isang bilihan na lang. And it's also cheaper there kasi yung mga laundry detergent na yan, mas mura yan sa Costco. Everyone, buy at Costco. Try namin tong tocino flavored spam. It's only $5.49. Minsanan lang yan, guys. We're looking for tomato sauce para dun sa aming menudo. BRB. Wala kaming nakita. So, bili na lang ako ng chicken for tinolas. Yung mura lang. Siguro, this one. It's only $6.85. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine, no? Okay. Looking for tomato sauce. Wait. Lang. Dito pala yung tomato sauce. Here. Ayan, tomato sauce, no salt added, that's fine. This is $1.79. Yeah. And here, we gotta buy hand wash. They have this soap, 17 only. Or here, this even. No, hindi yung ano. Ay, laundry ba to? No, like all-purpose cleaner. They have it here then. Hand wash. Okay, we're gonna get toothpaste here. This one is $6.99. And we were looking for the hand wash, pero parang, oh, here. But here, these are the, oh, these are Dr. Bronner's. Yeah. Okay, I don't think they have it here. So we're just gonna try this Eco Max brand. This is $3.50 each. Oh, group of 2, so it's $4. It's fine. So dalawa? No, just one. You want peppermint? Or just this one? It's just...
Saan may lalagay yan? Sabi ko sa...
washer?
Washer? Anong gusto mo?
Any.
Yung peppermint? Ay, merong hypoallergenic ko. Anong gusto mo?
Yeah, the hypoallergenic. Okay. I'm also gonna get eggs. How much are they? $7.69. And then lastly, we just gotta buy milk. Non-lactose, like lactose free. This one, 2% one. Pinaka siya. I'll just get. Here, I got this. We're done. Gonna line up in one of these now. Yeah. Yeah. And sa 11. Okay, this is everything that we've bought.
Ito na lang.
Yeah, sige, okay na yun. That's all of it. It's okay, I'll just use my phone. So, how much is it?
So, nabayaran namin 101.77.
Mahal.
101.77.
Last week, diba, ano lang tayo? 687? Ngayon, 101. And we bought less, I think. It seems like we bought less. I think it's because of the, ano talaga, yung mga... hindi. Kasi dun sa ano ko, so it's supposed to be 80 lang siguro. Pero bumili ako nung sa nose ko. $16 yun eh. That was our most expensive purchase of the day, is my nasal rinse. Pero, yeah, i-ano natin yun. Kasi 96 lang siya. But tax is $3.13 and $2.31. So, in BC, there's both GST and PST taxes that you pay. In Alberta, there's only a 7% tax. But here, it's 12%. So, it's a little bit more expensive here. But not on the food. So, ang tax namin today is $5.44. That's why it's 101.77. Pero, overall, this is siguro average
na
grocery without the nasal rinse. Extra lang yung nasal rinse because I need it this week. But yeah. Also, the way we do, our groceries here is we half every time. Unless may binibili ako like yung nasal rinse, I'll pay for that. So I'll take that off of the bill and then we half the bill. Pero that's it. Yeah, we'll see you home. Kasi gutom na kami. Okay, nasa bahay na tayo. Ito po ang aming fridge ngayon na wala pang mga anything. Mamaya, slightly meron na siya. Kasi wala naman tayo masyadong binili today. Ito ang aming mga nandito. Ito yung almond milk na binili namin last week. Nagustuhan mo ba to? Ako hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Kaya, andyan siya. And then we need to fill up the eggs. To fill the eggs up. Okay, eggs are done. And then this one will be our dinner tonight. Probably that's baon tomorrow. So ito needs to be in the fridge. I need to remove one of these. Ito na lang. Go. These ones. And this one. Just put this there. So this one, isang ulam naman. We will just put that in here. This is fish, and then meats, and this is just ice. And this one is a washroom, 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 washroom. Yan. This one, pantry. This one, close na natin to. Put this in there. These ones, sa ulo like that. then this one, since we're gonna use it this week, dyan na lang siya. Okay, let's put these in the washroom. Okay, this is almost empty, so yan. This one dito. Ito, meron pa naman siya, but almost empty also. So this one will just stack it, and then this one I have to use that later. So, oh my gosh, you know what we forgot? My distilled water.
Ay, shit. Wala na?
I think meron pa ako isa. So, okay lang.
Message ko mga
Sige. Sige. Ito, lalagay ko sa labas.
Pinabasa ko lang yung mga previous terms niya.
And ito din, lalagay ko sa labas. Mga cardboard. Yes, let's put it right there for now. And that's it. So that's it for this video. That's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye!